Question 11. Solve the following quadratic inequalities. Okay, let's look at A. So first we have to bring everything to one side. 2x squared minus x minus 1 more than 0. Then we try to factorize. So take your calculator. This one you can just type it in your calculator. This is 2. B is negative 1. C is also negative 1. So our roots, okay, what we can do is we can straight away draw our graph and put the roots in. Our graph will always be a smiley face with your roots negative 1 over 2. The other one is 1. Okay, don't forget to write the smaller root on the left. Then, because imagine this is your number line 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here will be negative and so on. Okay, so once we get the roots, you can put it into the brackets. So this will be 2x plus 1 and the other one will be x minus 1. Okay, if you don't know how to do this one, imagine x is negative 1 over 2. So 2 times x will be 2x. Negative 1 you bring there will be plus 1. Therefore 2x plus 1. Here x is 1. So x minus 1 will be inside the bracket. Okay, this one you don't need to write. It's just once you do a few times you already get it. Okay, but you have to show these brackets in your working. It's part of your working. Okay, then this is more than equals to 0. So if more than 0 means above the line. So above the line you have to shade this area and this area. If below the line, that means it's less than 0. So it will be below this line. Below this line you must shade this area. Okay, so below is here, above is here and here. Okay, so in this case, since it's more than 0, we shade this line and we shade this line. Done. So our range of x will be lesser than negative 1 over 2 and more than 1, because we shade here and here. This is just your number line 0, so this is 1. So all these values can be taken and all these values can be taken. So to write this, you say x is less than negative 1 over 2, x is more than 1. But since this is more than equals to, we have to put the equals to as well. So this will be our answer. Done. Okay, next, let's try B. So same thing, here we have to expand. X minus 3 square less than equals to 5 minus x. So first we expand. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 5 plus x less than 0. Okay, so here I just use the shortcut to expand. If you have square, you will get 3 terms. The first term is x square. The last term is negative 3 squared. And the middle term will be 2 times x times negative 3. And then I brought this all over, so I get this lah. Then we simplify. So x square negative 6x plus x will be negative 5x. 9 minus 5 is plus 4. 0. Okay. Now we just put this in our calculator to get our roots. So A is 1, B is negative 5, C is 4. So x is 1 and 4. So since here we get less than 0 will be this area. If more than 0, here and here lah, like just now, like this one. Okay, but less than 0, so we share this area. So our answer can be between 1 and 4. Okay, so our x will be between 1 and 4. But since here got equal sign, here so we must put equals. This is your answer. So every time you have quadratic inequality, you must draw this smiley face graph. Okay, we factorize. Oh, here we forgot to write the roots. So when you factorize, we get 1. So here must be negative 1. And then the other one is 4. So must be minus 4. Yeah, done. Let's look at C. Same thing, we expand first. So 1 minus x square plus 2x less than 17. So when you expand this, you get 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 2x minus 17 less than 0. Then we try to rearrange this. So x square, negative 2x plus 2x will cancel off. 1 minus 17 is negative 16. Okay, then this one we have to factorize. So this is the special factorization where you have a square minus b square. If you have a square minus b square, the factorization will be a minus b, a plus b. Okay, it only applies for a square minus b square. It has to be square for both. So in this case, this is x square and this is 4 square. 4 square is 16 lah. So it will be the same as, I can just change this to 4 square so it will look clearer. So x square minus 4 square will be x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay, minus and plus same thing lah. You do plus first and minus first, also same. Okay, so here we draw our graph. Our roots will be negative 4 and 4. And then this one is less than 0. Less than 0 means down here. So we have to shade here. So if I shade here, our answer will be in between negative 4 and 4. Done. This is the answer. This is how to solve quadratic inequalities. You have to factorize, you have to draw your smiley face graph, and then you have to either shade down if it's less than 0, or here if it's more than 0. That's it.